Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to convert RAR file to APK in Android. For that, simply you need to first download or install the RAR application or the RAR application on Android, and then you need to open on your device. Once you have opened, you need to choose the RAR file you want to convert to the APK in Android. Once you have select the file, then you need to hold that and tap on extract here. You need to enter the password you have set before. Once you have entered the password, you need to tap on OK, and you can tap on replace, tap and hold it again and tap on extract files, tap on OK, and you need to enter the password here. Once you have entered the password and tap on OK, you can easily convert RAR file to APK in Android. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.